Exploded na. Graduate. Automatic sub.
Ay nga tudong ay shouting pakpak yo legit pasti lang.
Part of non-contact technical foul. Criteria to.
Captain.
Uy. Ay, Paul.
Second first.
Time. 5 minutes.
Third warning.
Time out ang session.
Buwan, galing. Last tres. Pat ng kagib.
Uy.
Isipay na to ang extraction flow eh. Isipay na to, wala na ito sa noon. Saan na kagawad?
Warning to warning.
Ibang pagpakpak dito dapat sa naon niya pwede. Pero distansya na hindi na pwede.
Iputwis bahagi.
Wala lang na dito.
Importante boss. Bula dribbling the ball. Pass to Warex, good for twos.
3 minutes 20.
Good for 2 points. Bahadi. Sotomayor. Pass to Maidan. Back to Sotomayor. Within the ball. Piningit ka pasahan. So out of bounds by Sotomayor. Santina. Don't play to Tenyo. Pass out Tenyo. Tenyo dumidiretso pasok. Bahadi. Pero wala. Nahilo. Makalagap to. Warex. Hindi for 2 points. Tenyo dribbling the ball. Pass to Tagalog. Good for threes. Ibang play by Sotomayor again to pass to Maidan. Pass to Tenyo. Good for two. So time out ang Sales Channel Department po.
Isa na lang time out ninyo, Migo.
Back to the ball game.
Last 2 minutes.
Naikundangan. Pass to Kamba. Time is last 2 minutes.
Shot clock.
Tumayda to Kamba. Pass to Sotomayor. Oh. May basigsig.
Kasi. Penalty na, penalty.
So, acting shot na kay penalty na ang
149.
Questioning department. So, Sotomayor for free throw. First free throw, wala. Wala pa rin.
One minute and 40. Shot clock 14. 10 to shoot.
Wow. Stripping.
One minute, 6 minutes. Shot clock 10.
5 seconds to shoot.
Oh. Di.
Ron, 52 pa na, Ron. 52. 5 to shoot. Seconds lang.
58 seconds. Shot clock.
59. Shot clock 52, 56. Upat na lamang. Say foul.
31. Maidan. 31.
Second.
Second team pa.
5 seconds to shoot.
Seconds. 44 seconds. 3 seconds to shoot.
3 seconds to
4 seconds.
1, 2.
Third na ba, fourth? Third.
Last 40 seconds ha.
Pulihag gamay.
Paul na, Paul na, Paul. Paul na, Paul na. Karaw, karaw, karaw. Ten. Pasto. So, dahil ang social department.